But you have a clean record, no accident at any at all. Whether at fault or not at fault, I don't want to involve in a no accident period, you see me?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hey, what's up guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope you guys doing good. Keep on the grinding and all those stuff. Keep working towards your dreams. I was today I'm day up on in Florida doing a stop in Boynton Beach here and there. We have a few stops, like I think it's 8 or 9 stops for the day. So the work I get a little slow, to get a little bit slow though. All this recession thing in the air and all them something that cause the work to get slowed down. Like everybody's like cutting stuff now in the trucking industry. FedEx is cutting stuff, UPS is doing the same. They're putting their work on the drivers on furlough. Or the other day YRC put a couple of the drivers on furlough too. XPO, they want to do the same thing. Because they're saying that freight demand is cutting down and all those stuff, but we're here, we're still here making it happen, so one of those days, man. So gotta give thanks, right? But overall, everything's slow still in terms of freight on the docks and all those stuff, so that's trucking for you guys. Sometimes you have increased demand, sometimes you have a lower demand. It is what it is, man. It fluctuates. It's not going to be high all the time. You're going to have this high point and then you're going to have this low point. But yeah, eventually it will go up though. But probably it's going to take a few months. Probably a few months to a year. I've been looking at some truck prices and the truck prices are way down. Compared to 6 months ago, damn. I'm looking at a Freightliner Cascadia 2019, 500,000 miles on it. Like 6 months ago, that was going for like 120,000, and now I'm seeing them for like 70,000, 65,000. I'm like, damn, things are really getting slow. A lot of trucking companies, especially smaller companies, they're going out of business right now. Based on what's happening, because you have a lot of these guys, when the trucking was booming like last year, they took out some high loans, high interest loans to get a truck and all those stuff, get their equipment, get truck and trailer and hit the road. And probably like a year after or something, or 9 months, the market just boom, bottom out. Keep going down and down. So those guys are forced to sell their equipment. And yep, so everyone is selling. Well, a majority of people are selling their truck now. A majority of them. If you go on base for sale, a lot of trucking companies are selling out, man. A lot of trucking companies are liquidated, and banks are repoing companies' trucks and all those stuff. Yeah. Trucking overall is like it's a mess right now, man. It's a mess for the owner operator. So right now, if you're thinking to go into trucking right now, I would suggest you just wait a little bit, but not the driving part though. I'm talking about the owner operator part. If you're going, just wait a little bit, because you will be getting equipment cheaper, much cheaper. And so you can like reduce your overhead expenses and all those stuff. Unless you have a good contract for, with a shipper or something, you can try it. But if you're gonna use the load boards, nah, just wait a little bit, man. Just wait a little bit. Keep stacking that money and wait a little bit. Yeah. Because sometimes you have a right time to do some things and you have a wrong time to do some things. Alright, I was thinking about getting the trucking and getting a truck and all those stuff. Really know about that. I'm saying, it would be best if I wait a little bit, man. Wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait until the freight rate starts to climbing back up, man, because it's a mess right now. I seen like freights going for $1.50 per mile, 1,000 miles and all those stuff. That's crazy, man. You ain't be making no money, and diesel prices are way up there, man. Yeah. That's my take on it. I would wait. But you still can get your CDL and all that stuff, though. Find a company to work for, a big company that already have their contracts going and all that stuff. Still can make some money. I'm gonna.
New stop has been assigned for Astro Auto Salvage.
I'm gonna back into this place. Back off the road into this place. It's gonna take a little time, but it is what it is. Yeah, thank you motorists for waiting. Atlantic hardware and doors or something like that. Alright, we're gonna see what they're gonna do. They're gonna get themselves unloaded. Alright, see what's going on. Alright, I got that off the truck. Guys at Atlantic, they're pretty cool. They got it off really quick. Sometimes taking the camera off, dismount and connecting to the carrying it in, it takes a while. I'll try to show you guys what's going on back there. And in LTL, every second counts, man. Every second counts. I love the trucking, but I'm thinking of doing some like some side hustle and all that stuff. Something on the side. Because one thing when you get caught up in this trucking thing, if you're not like running to get your own truck and all those stuff, well, if you get your own truck, you're gonna take a lot of time. If you get your own truck and go over the road and all those stuff, you're gonna have no time for yourself, man. You're not going to have any time for yourself. So that's the next thing. So, I'm gonna still be in trucking, but probably I'm gonna get a truck and get a driver. I'll probably do some brokering and all that stuff. I'm gonna build a trucking business, but I don't think I will be driving it over the road though, because I would like to have my time to do some more things. And if you're over the road doing trucking, you're not going to get that time. You're not going to have that time. You'll be too consumed in trucking. Probably get a brokering firm or something. Something that you can do on the internet. Something that you can do on the internet from home. So when you've been doing this for quite a while, it's going to be probably it can get to you. You didn't like it. Because it's the same thing every day. It's like really nothing new. It's still good. Put food on the table. It's not that bad though. It's not that bad. It's just the economy right now. The economy is totally messed up right now. That's just the messed up part about it. The economy is messed up. So probably 60% of the guys running trucks now, they aren't even making good profit. What I heard. Not making no good profit, man. Turn on the Lakewood Road and go to this Delray food service or something like that. Yeah. But I'm gonna take a different road. The road that the GPS was taking me to, I would have to do a blind side if I went down that street. So I'm going to go around and come up it so I can just do a driver side back in. Easier. Always look for the easier way when you're back in. And plus that's just it's a narrow street too, so I don't want to be blindsided there. Go, Lord, go. I ain't going to turn on Congress. That's going to put me into a blind side back over there. I ain't going to blind side back up the main road. Look at this car in front. Look at this jacker. Just cut me off. You gotta be looking. Left turn. Whenever you see those public the city bus, don't drive behind them, man. They're gonna take up your time. You go in the middle lane, on the left lane, but don't drive behind them because you're gonna be stopping right through. Every time you're gonna be stopping because they'll be stopping at every bus stop, man. Construction in that lane. Boy, my right, that's where they have what is it? Some sale thing or something like that. You can buy some cheap clothes and all them something there. That's alright. I'm on military. This called a military swap shop. Flea market, yeah, flea market they call it. You can buy also have a second hand something cheap. They say they're normally cheap over there. One day I have to go over there. Regular guys who are going over there. It'll be like Bendong at Trelawney or Coronation Market basically. Kingston. But the only thing they don't sell food stuff, you know, there's like clothes and like appliances, you know? Them look at something there. I think there's a lot of second and cheap goods. Used equipment and all that, so generator, this, that. All that stuff they use. Some of them can get them, some of them can get some really good deals over the time. Or a lot of like Jamaicans be buying things over there and shipping it to Jamaica. So probably making some good money too. So that can be a good little business opportunity right there. Can be a nice little business opportunity. Buy things from the swap shop and ship them to Jamaica. Mark them up and sell them at a reasonable price. Make a profit with it and repeat. That sound bad. That sound bad. All these days I'm going to go over there. And then they'll be open on Saturday. I'm going to check it out. Open on Saturday but I'm not working. Go over there and see what's going on. Shit. Alright, okay, Eagle Drive. Try my best to avoid this blind side. Alright, so I'm gonna turn here. Mustang. So I'm now off the blind side back to that place. I don't have to be blindsided. Alright, I'm going right over there to my right. So this is what I'm talking. No, to my left, sorry, to my left, left, L-Rave. So I gotta wait and I gotta back in. Gotta wait later. And I'm gonna go over there in my left lane. And we do a driver's side back. Nice and easy. Check the right rear mirror, see everything is good. And we're gonna do what we're supposed to do. This guy coming up behind me. touching the grass. This is how you do it. Could you imagine if I had that blind side over here? Shit. Give me a damn hard time. Now take a look at time on this driver's side. So if you find an easy way to back in our place, always choose the easy road. Don't play no hero. I say, alright, you're a super trucker, you're going to choose the other most difficult way all the time. But sometimes you got these cars coming behind and all that stuff. When they're blindsided, you're not going to see anything like that. But when they are driver's side backing, they have a better chance of seeing what's going on. Shit. Yeah, I'm going to drop off these things, man. Heard my brakes squeaking that back there. My brakes were squeaking. I got off it now, checked out to see what's going on. I heard my trailer brake squeaking. AC. There's the winter. Rules plumbing. 1143 Boulevard. It's supposed to be hard to find. If I went in that right lane over there, I could have gone away, man. Should have taken the right lane. Alright, for the right lane. There you go. Come on, stoplight. Come on. Give me a green. Give me a green. Can't imagine how much time we spend at stoplights. Shit. Sometimes still I'm wasting at stoplights. It's not funny. I'm gonna make a right turn down here, right? Yep. Going that far line. Traffic come up. Infinity. GX35 Infinity. Good job. I gotta give the train horn. The honk the horn for him, man. I got the honk the horn for him. Give me the pump the horn signal.
New text message from dispatch 12 PLS. Watch your measurements and PLS. Put info in HH with correct info. Thank you. Stay safe.
What the? Am I at the correct place? Oh. Yep. I'm at the correct place. 1134. Let's see. 1134 or 43? 1143. 1143. Back into this spot right over here. I think this is 1143. Don't need any pull-ups, man. Just the ones need clean back. Don't want to be hitting the dog too hard. Ooh. Yeah.